Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into dropshipping, one of the most accessible ways to build your own online business. We're talking about creating a real profitable business, all without dealing with inventory, packing boxes, or shipping nightmares. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your own online store, find winning products, and start generating sales. Let's get started. Alright, let's break down dropshipping. Essentially, it's a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory yourself. You create an online store, list products, and when a customer buys something, you place an order with your supplier. Your supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. You don't need to worry about renting a warehouse, managing inventory, or dealing with shipping logistics. This makes it a super low-risk business model. You make a profit on the difference between the price you sell the product for and the price your supplier charges you. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your dropshipping success. You want to find a niche that's profitable, in high demand, and something you're at least somewhat passionate about. Start by brainstorming your interests and hobbies. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for online. Look for products with high search volume and low competition. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that's profitable and has the potential for long-term growth. Your suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business, so finding reliable ones is critical. You want to partner with suppliers who offer high-quality products, fast shipping times, and excellent customer service. Use online directories like Alibaba or dropshipping platforms like Spocket. Always request samples of their products to test the quality yourself. Building strong relationships with your suppliers is key to long-term success in dropshipping. Now for the fun part, building your online store. This is where you'll showcase your products, build your brand, and make those sales. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make creating a professional-looking website easier than ever. Focus on creating a clean, user-friendly experience with high-quality product photos and compelling descriptions. Make sure your website is mobile responsive. Think of your website as your digital storefront. You want it to be inviting, easy to navigate, and secure for your customers. You've got your store, you've got your products, now it's time to get eyes on them. Marketing is all about driving traffic to your store and converting that traffic into paying customers. Social media marketing is huge for dropshippers. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest allow you to target your ideal customer. You can run highly targeted ads that put your products in front of people who are most likely to be interested. Partner with influencers in your niche who can promote your products to their followers. Offer incentives for customers to leave reviews and refer their friends. Congratulations, the orders are coming in. Now, it's all about managing your orders efficiently and providing excellent customer service. Make it a habit to check your orders and customer inquiries daily. As your business grows, you can start thinking about scaling by expanding your product range or investing more heavily in marketing. Consider outsourcing certain tasks to free up your time. Dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and adapt your strategies along the way. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting your very own dropshipping business. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's a low-risk, high-reward business model. The most important thing is to take action. Start researching niches, find reliable suppliers, and build that online store. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tutorials. Now get out there and start building your dropshipping empire.